Do you know that you can buy a whopping 250 shares of Access Bank with just 5,000 naira? I mean, what other fascinating thing can just 5,000 naira buy for you in this economy that is more important than securing your future? That's why I bring to you Access Bank shares, which is listed on the Nigerian Stock Exchange just for your advantage. And I want to believe that an average adult knows future compensation of shares when you invest in good companies. I know there is a lot of question in your mind that how do I start? What is stock in the first place? I actually made a video about what stocks are. I will link it in the description of this video. So what stocks are and how you can also leverage on it. However, kindly know that this is not a get rich quick scheme, and I'm not going to preach that any day, anytime. So this is something, if you know that you cannot invest your money for a long time, please don't bother investing at all. This is an advice that please do your own due diligence. Make sure you make a lot of research about Nigerian stocks before you start investing in them, so that you can at least have an average knowledge about what you are investing into before putting your hard-earned money. I have 4 apps that I've tried before, although I'm currently using 2 because those 2 offers the kind of investments I want. So number 1 is Bamboo app. Number 2 is Trove. Number 3 is Optimus by Afrivest, and number 4 is Yoncha. So it depends on your preference, and you might need to ask people as well who has used this kind of app before. Honestly, there is no point using multiple apps if you are only investing in the same kind of investment. So with the 4 I have mentioned above, try to make your own research and see which one is more user friendly for you to use. For me, I currently use Bamboo and Optimus for my savings and also for my investments. So it depends on what works for you.
So now let's dive into the practical aspects of this video. If you don't have the Bamboo app, because I currently use Bamboo, that's why it's easier for me to just use that as an example for us. So let's go to, you can check your app store or your Play Store if you're an Android user, and you come here and search for Bamboo. So once you search for Bamboo, it will come up. Bamboo app. Okay, let me see. Okay, so you will see Bamboo Invest, Trade, and Learn. So this is the second one. The first one, which is the sponsored ad, don't click that one. So the first one from the result is what you will click. I've already shown you the logo in the video before. So you click this because I've already registered on it. This, if I've not registered, it will have told me to download, then I'll press download and all of that. So I'm sure we know all of this already. So just press open. When you are done downloading, it will tell you to click open. So once you click open, it will bring you to this interface where you can see take my stock market course, you can join the Telegram, buy icons from Bamboo, all of that. So it will bring you to this interface where you will see US stock, Nigerian stock. So let's first of all just go to invest. So once you click invest, it will tell you which other assets do you want. So is it US stock? Is it Nigerian stock? Is it treasury bills? Is it fixed return? For the purpose of this video, so we are doing Nigerian stock, right? So once we come here, Access Bank already reduced to 18 naira to 65 kobo. So you can now look through every other Nigerian stock you want to invest in, like anything you are interested in. But like I said, for the purpose of this video, I call in for Access Bank, and this is the first one on the list. All you need to do is to click this particular investment, which is Access Bank. So the market is already closed. Even though if you make some transactions, it will be settled tomorrow or any day after the holidays. So that's how it works. So if you want to buy, you just click buy. So once you click buy, you will come to this side where it's saying number of shares. So you're going to put number of shares. Like I said, 5,000 naira can only buy you 250, right? But I think it will be more than that now because the price of the share has reduced. Okay, let's just try. Let's look at this. We have if you do five if you do 250, this will be 4,620 naira. And that will not go because the minimum amount you can spend on Bamboo app is 5,000 naira. So let's try 265. So it's still not good. Let's try 370. Okay, this is perfect. So this is 370 and it's already allowing you to go ahead.
So you just click review order. So once you review order, it will tell you insufficient fund, except you have money in your wallet before. So if you have money in your wallet, this will not come up. It will just go straight to your wallet and deduct from there. But if you don't have money in your wallet, it will tell you insufficient fund. You just click make a deposit. So then because me, I have both foreign and Nigerian stock. That's why it's asking me which bank, I mean which wallet will I want to deposit in. Once you get here, so you put in your account, I mean sorry, you put in the amount you want to deposit, and the minimum deposit most of the time is usually 1,005. So that is like $1. Do you understand? Maybe let me do another 6,000 naira. So if I do another 6,000 naira, then I will click deposit. So once I click deposit, I can now choose from bank transfer, which attracts under naira charges, or if I do the card, it depends on whichever that is it is okay for you. For me, it just, I mean, it's less than 20 naira difference charges. So I just normally click bank transfer because it's easier. Just click this one, then you copy this account number that is here. But if you also have the strength to go through card process, do you understand? So you can go through the card process. I don't know why this is not coming today. Anyways, let me go for the bank transfer. So this is Sterling Bank, and this is your account. Just come here, copy. Then it says account number copied to clipboard. So you just say okay. Then you go to your banking app. So if you have, take for example, you have a GT account, you have a GT account, then you sign in, or whatsoever bank you use, you sign into your bank, then put your whatever, put the details. Okay, say, take for example what I copied. So I just click, I just press this account transfer whatever and paste. So it has come right now, right? And don't forget the bank said Sterling Bank, so you have to look for Sterling again. So once you do Sterling Bank, so it will bring your own name attached with Bamboo thing. Do you understand? So you can see my own Bamboo Abi, that is Bamboo Abiola Ehe. So you can now put the amount rather, which is 6,000, the one you recorded that you are going to do. So you put the amount here, then you press send. So once that is done, once you make a transfer from your account, then you go back to your platform. You go back to the platform.
Click review order. So once you click review order, so because me already have I already have 6,000 around in my Nigerian wallet that is still waiting for me to invest. If I like, I can invest it. But if I see a other better investment, I can invest it. So don't mind this your buying power is blah blah blah. Just click your wallet. Do you understand? So once you click the wallet, it's already brought because there is always charges. So that's, I mean, the commission rather. So that's why it's added up to 5,209 naira if you cover. So if I want to place order like this, so I'll just click place order because me I've already bought this particular investment, this particular shares from this access holdings. There is no point for me to duplicate it except I want to increase it later in the future, but I don't plan to do that now. So you just click place order. Once you place order,
So once you are done with the payment
and you bought your shares during the time that the market is open, so you will see the result automatically. However, if you bought during a holiday or any market closure, you will see it the next day. So it now depends on how many days is your holiday or whatever. But any other day that the market is open, you will definitely see your investment already settled in your account.
That is the end of the video, and I hope you learned something today and you're eager to secure your future with just even a peanut. 5,000 naira, 10, 20, even 50,000 naira is not that much for you to start investing, even though you can always grow from there. But I advise, as a beginner investor, please do not rush into it. You can start with 5,000, you can start with 10,000. However, if you have been investing in stock before and you're familiar with how their dividends are being paid, then you can put more money, like 1 million, 10 million. It depends on how much you can afford. So until my next video, stay sound and stay informed. I care.